kit includes a complete part list with a QR code for our manual, our custom Smarthon IoT bit board, ultrasonic distance sensor, white LED, noise sensor, multicolor LED, light sensor, PIR motion sensor, temperature and humidity sensor, traffic light LED, raindrop sensor, a screw pad with 12 2mm, 6 3mm, and 34mm screws and nuts, a battery pack for our IoT bit board for 4 AA batteries, and a 180-degree servo motor. In one bag we have 1 4-pin and 8 3-pin module wires, and in another bag we have 5 3-pin, 2 4-pin, and 1 servo extension wire. In our accessory bag, we have 2 L-shaped aluminum stands, 3 paper clips, 1 screwdriver, a strip of sandpaper, and a piece of glue tack. And here we have our USB cable, which can be used to power our IoT board. And finally, we have our cardboard model of CD objects, our CD map, and wooden model of CD objects.